So here's Grab Driver app for partners. So you can just tap get and double click to install it. So that's the idea. And then earn on the road, boost your income with Grab. This is the app for drivers. So again, this is not for booking rides. This is if you want to earn some additional revenue and you live in Southeast Asia, like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Myanmar, and Cambodia. So that's the app you can try, and then you can then just sign up here and go through the process. Either if you want to be like a taxi driver or you want to deliver food, and then that's the process. Also, there is a referral code which you can enter here. And they also have a referral program, which if you refer another drivers, you can earn some additional revenue. Like for example, you can just read more about Grab referral program. You just select refer bike rides or refer car drivers, and then click on the refer now button and share uniquely generated to the person you would like to refer. So that's the idea. And then in addition to your rides, you can also earn this revenue.